Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create your Robot Buddies card kit. This kit is perfectly programmed to craft and create with kids. I'm going to leave these finished projects on the table as a point of reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your projects. And don't forget to refer to your printed step-by-step instructions. By separating and sorting your elements by project, you'll be totally set up for success. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. I prefer to do my stamping first. Stamp before you stick, right? Stamping can be intimidating at first, but don't worry, we've got this. We'll need our block, stamp set, and ink spots. You get 2 in this kit. Place your desired stamp on your block, open your ink spots, and we're good to go. Here are the components you'll be stamping for each project. For this kit, you'll be stamping sentiments on labels as well as the robots on 2 of the cards. For a clear image, you'll want to ink your stamp well. All it takes is a few good taps across the entire image. If you want to practice first, go ahead and stamp a time or 2 on your chipboard. When you're ready to stamp, ink your image, line it up, and press down firmly and evenly. What's great about these photopolymer stamps is you can see where you're stamping. And there you go. You'll need to stamp multiple images, so just grab a wet cloth, paper towel, or a baby wipe to clean your stamp and put it back on your stamp sheet. So here's another tip for you. You can add both of your robot pieces to the block at the same time so that you don't have to stamp each of them separately. For more tips on stamping, check out our How to Stamp video linked in the description. Now that we've stamped everything, we're ready to assemble and embellish our card bases. As we go through each project, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause and rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. I love these embellishments. They're like little googly eyes. You can shake them. Look at these adorable projects. Now, our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity is what makes them special. I'm excited to share this kid-friendly card kit with my nephew. He's going to love it, and I hope you're excited to share it too. If you liked crafting with a kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products, and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Enjoy!